Hi guys, this is Dr. Diaz again with Momentum Chiropractic and Rehab. We're actually making an exclusive video today with Jason. We're making this for a good friend of ours, Simon. He runs Chiro Videos TV. He's done an exclusive interview with us, and now he's going to host one of our chiropractic videos. So what we're going to do today is we're going to perform a chiropractic adjustment. Again, Simon is with Chiro Videos TV in London, and he's going to host this video. So Jahiver, you can set up for adjustment right over here. We're gonna go ahead and move over to adjustment this afternoon. Go ahead and scoot forward just a tad for me, Jason. All right, relax right in here. Okay, let's have you relax here for me. Jason, loosen up here. Very good. Relax right here. Now we've palpated, we've noted some restrictions in the upper cervicals. Very good. Let me have you lay face down for me. And Jason is here for his weekly adjustments.
Man, that was good.
Very good. All right, good movement here in the cervical spine. We're palpating, we're trying to look for restricted segments. When we're finding restricted segments, we can definitely find changes in temperature from one area of the spine to the other. We find changes in muscle tightness. So as right in here, we have some hypertonicity. Right here, we have not as bad. So we're adjusting right in this region. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Relax right here for me. You get some cervical thoracic. Relax here for me. Take a deep breath. All the way out. Good. Lay on your side. Actually, stay right there.
Okay.
We definitely have some very hypertonic muscles here.
Oh.
All right. And get some general movement here in the thoracolumbar region. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Let me have you lay on your side facing this way, Jason.
That way.
Yes, please. Very good. We're going to set up for lumbar adjustment. Right over here. Good. Scoot up just a tad that way. There's perfect. And lay your head back down that way. Right here. Okay. Some general over here. Okay, we're going to move through the pelvis here, okay? Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Turn facing the opposite way for me. Excuse me. Right in here. Top leg bent, bottom leg straight. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. All right. We're good.
Thank you.
Thank you.